Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can add or create a gateway payment in Paymer. Paymer. Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn how you can create a gateway payment in Framer. So, for example, we are going to use PayPal. Okay, so yeah, you just have to log into your Framer account. Okay, and then after that you just have to open your project. Okay, so this is our current project right here. So for example, you are using PayPal, so all you have to do is to go to the request section. So log into your PayPal account, and then on the other tab you have to log into your Framer account. Okay, so once you're here, as you can see, we have three ways to request a payment. So all we have to do is to select the last one, so create a payment link. Okay, so simply tap on this one, and then this section will open. So here you just have to build your payment links and buttons. Okay, so you just have to add here the item name. So you just have to choose a payment link or button. So I'm just going to choose the payment buttons if you want to. Okay, so you have that, or the payment links. Okay, so this is how it looks like. And then after that, right here, you just have to add the item name. We're just going to name this one as payment. Okay, and then you'll be able to see here the preview. All right, and then here for the description, this one is optional. And then here for the price, I'm just going to select customer set price, and then I just have to label this one. So I'm just going to label this one as type. That's right. Then after that, I just have to choose your currency. Okay, so once you're done, you just have to tap on the build it option. Okay, and then you have here now the link option. So yeah, you just have to simply copy this link. That's right, and then you just have to go back to your Framer. Okay, and then after that, you just have to create a new section. So to insert a new section, all you have to do is tap on this insert option at the top. Okay, and then after that you just have to add your button right here. Okay, so we have different buttons. Okay, so I am just going to select embed for this one. That's right, and then this is the embed section. Now as you can see, you can customize this one right here. So you have the position, the width, and the height. Then if you'd like to add effects for this one, overlays, cursor, styles, so you just have to go here. And of course, for the visibility, you have to choose the yes option. Okay, and then for the embed type, we have the URL and HTML. So since for the PayPal, we use the link. So of course, we are going to use or choose the URL, and then we just have to place it right here. Okay, so some websites do not support the embedding. Okay, so you just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and then as you can see, it cannot embed the PayPal option, so due to its content security policy. So if this one does not gonna work, so we are going to try the HTML. Okay, so going back here, so all we have to do here now is to create a new payment link. That's right, and then we are going to use the payment buttons. Okay, so just the same, just going to tab it right here, the details that we need. That's right, and then for the price, I'm just going to set this one, and then just going to tab it right here, type. Okay, and then after that, I just have to tap on the build it option, and then we have here now the HTML code. So all we have to do is to copy the code. Okay, so you just have to copy this one, then go back here, so use the HTML, then you just have to paste here the code. Then after that, if you have subscribed to the plan, then you would be able to see here now the preview of this payment gateway. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.